How to print from your phone on Epson L3250. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to print from your phone on Epson L3250. First, download the Epson Smart Panel app from the App Store or Google Play. Now connect your phone and Epson L3250 to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, open the Epson Smart Panel app and follow the setup instructions. Select the document or photo you want to print. Next, choose the Epson L3250 as your printer. Following that, adjust print settings. After that, tap Print to start the printing process. Here, check the printer for your printed document. Lastly, contact Epson support if you encounter issues. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.